sa Artist Management, our 2025 Best Actress sa Metro Manila Film Fest para sa pelikulang I'm Perfect. Please welcome Cristel Go! Hi Cristel! Ang ating Best Actress para sa pelikulang I'm Perfect, di ba? Emote kung emote, laban kung laban. Napanood niyo ba ang mga interviews ni Cristel? Diba? It's all over the internet. Diba? Wow! Oh, ganun. Paano yung kawai, Cristel? Oh, pak! Diba? Siyempre, wow! Nakapout. Yes, hi Cristel! Ayan na nga. Oh, picture muna kayong dalawa ni Mamang. Oh, diba? Tita Sylvia and Cristel, the 2025 Metro Manila Film Fest Best Actress, Center Smile. Yan. Smile, Cristel. Okay. Sa right naman tayo, syempre. Okay, everybody smile. Ayan. Uy, proud na proud din si Earl sa gilid. Oh, Earl is super proud of Cristel, for sure. Ayan. Yes, Mommy! Ayan. Oo. Samahan niyo lang kami, Mommy, of course. Ayan. Cristel and Tita Sylvia, it's now ready na po ang inyong kontrata. Okay? Let's start the signing of the contract with Cristel Go. And Mommy with our Chief Operating Officer, Ms. Sylvia Sanchez. Ayan. Again don't forget to use our hashtag this afternoon, hashtag Nathan Angels. Lagay po natin sa mga photos, sa mga videos po natin, hashtag Nathan Angels. I-cheer nyo naman sa Cristel, Earl. Cheer nyo naman siya, yes. Wow. Diba? She's our best actress for the 2025 Metro Manila Film Fest, diba? For the movie I'm Perfect. Ayan. Okay. Nag-sign ka na, Cristel? Yes. Ayan. Diba? Standby yung mga lahat ng artists natin. Unahin natin yung lahat sila sa I'm Perfect, di ba? Sama-sama, yes. Alam ko, ang namimiss natin lahat sa mga Nathan Angels, yung performance nila, no? Meron silang performance na prepare para sa lahat, syempre. Ngayon, makapanood natin silang mag-perform. Yes. Contract sealed, diba? Ayan. Yung Mami, yung ibang papel sa papo. Last, ayan. Kayong dalawa po, Mami. Diba? Maraming salamat sa Wacol, Philippines. Thank you so much, syempre. Nailan, so syempre maraming salamat, diba? Siyempre, mamaya may surprise ako sa inyo. May announcement ako. Yes!
Amin. Amin.
Aminin mo na.
Anong team?
Asga, papaawin. Okay. Alright. Ayan. Again, a round of applause for our Best Actress sa 2025 Metro Manila Film Fest. Cristel Go! Yes, Cristel! Message for everybody. Ayan. O, di ba nag-ready ng message si Cristel? Prepared. Yes. Ayan. Cristel?
Anyway, just I want to thank the Lord. Lord, thank you na dinala mo ako dito ngayon. And good afternoon, everyone. Thank you po, Nathan Studios, for this opportunity. Nanay. Salamat kay Ma'am Mia, Ma'am Jobs. Salamat po sa pagtutubala. Apa po thank you po. I promise to give my best to keep learning and to honor this opportunity with hard work, passion, and humility. Thank you, Nathan Studios, for welcoming me and for being a part of my dream and for being my family.
Maraming salamat, Cristel, diba? Fulfilling your dreams, diba? Hindi lang ikaw, ang lahat ng Nathan Angels natin, diba? Ako, Mami, ikaw, nasabihin pa ba o nasabi mo na kayo sa video? Wala pa. Oh, Mami, it's your time to shine. Meron. Meron pala, Mami, pero sige na, i-go mo na yan.
Good afternoon. Gusto ko lang sabihin, taos puso ako nagpapasalamat sa Nathan Studios sa binigay ng opportunity sa lahat ng mga angels at lalo-lalo na kay Cristel. Your trust and belief means so much to us. Nagpapasalamat din kami sa guidance, patience, at support that you have shown. And I assure you that I continue to guide and support Cristel to remain grounded, hardworking, and respectful throughout the journey. Thank you din sa pag-open nyo ng doors to growth, learning, and dreams. And I look forward to working with you together and growing with Nathan Studios. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Maraming salamat po. Okay, photo op po muna tayo ulit with Mom. Ayan. At syempre, meron tayong video din, of course, for our best actress. Ayan, Cristel, smile. Okay. Yes. Oh, wow. Diba? And panoorin po natin ang video for our best actress, Cristel, go.
For the best actress in the leading role goes to
I'm perfect, Christian Go! Maraming salamat po sa award na to. Hindi po ako panawalan, lalo po po. Mommy and Daddy, pala po sa inyo to.
Hi, kaibigan Cristel. Gusto ko lang sabihin kung gano'n mo ka-proud sa'yo. Sobrang saya ng puso ko tuwing nakikita ko kung gano'n na malayo ang narating mo. At ang lahat ng achievements mo ay bunga ng sipag tsaka at pagtiwala mo sa sarili mo. From first step to where you are now, you have shown everyone that dreams will come true when you believe and never give up. You inspired so many people, not only because of your talent, but because of your kind heart, determination, and humility. If your daddy were still here today, I know his heart is overflowing with happiness and pride. He would smiling so wide, watch you grow, succeed, and become the strong and inspiring woman you are. Even if he's no longer physically beside you now, his love lives on in everything you do. Today, we are celebrating a very special milestone of your journey. The signing of the contract with Nathan Studios. This is not just a contract. It is a symbol of trust in your abilities, your growth, your bright future, and you truly deserve these blessings. Cristel, continue to shine, stay grounded, and keep believing in yourself. You are also a proud winner and excited what lies ahead. Congratulations on your achievements and this beautiful new chapter in your life. God bless you, my Kika Cristel, and I love you.
Wow! Diba? Cristel Go, the 2025 Metro Manila Film Fest Best Actress. Masaya nagkagatuan kami dito, sabi niya for sure daw ang mga family members daw niya ay proud na proud sa kanya. At syempre, sigurado naman yan. At di ba, nagpupulungan kami, sabi niya, nandito rin sa papa niya, nanonood daw. Happy Halloween sa inyo lahat. Di ba? February pa lang, pero nandito. Di kasi diba sa mga interviews niya, binanggit niya yun, na parang lagi pa rin nagbabantay daw ang kanyang daddy. Ayan, di ba?